Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Today, we're going to understand the concept of dilation. We're going to dilate an image either by enlarging it or reducing it, just in the case right here of this triangle that you see right here, this 3 by 4 by 5 triangle. When you enlarge an image, you're going to multiply it by a factor that is greater than 1. You can't multiply it by a factor of 1 because it will be that same figure. So it has to be greater than 1. When you reduce the size of a figure, you're going to multiply it by a factor that is between 0 and 1. And we're going to prove to you how that works as we dilate the triangle 3, 4, 5. Okay. And so when we do that, so let's say we want to we want to dilate this triangle by a factor of 2. And what we're going to do, we're just going to multiply each side of that triangle by 2. 3 times 2 will give us 6. 5 times 2 will give us 10. 4 times 2 will give us 8. All right. And so if we wanted to, let's say, enlarge this figure by 4, by a factor of 4, we just simply multiply these dimensions by 4 because we know that 3 times 4 would give us 12, 5 times 4 would give us 20, and 4 times 4 would give us 16. Now, let's say we have this big figure right here and we want to reduce it. And so what we're going to do, we're going to multiply it by a factor that is between 0 and 1. And so let's say, for example, we say, okay, 20, 1/2 of 20. 1/2 of 20 is the same as dividing by 2, right? And so 1/2 of 20 is 10. And so we just go back right here to 10. So we reduce this figure to 10 simply because we multiply it by 1/2 because 1/2 is between 0 and 1. And we could do the same thing for the other sides because 1/2 of 16 is 8. And of course, 1/2 of 12 is 6. And if we do the same thing, let's say with this big triangle, we wanted to scale it back or reduce it to the 3, 4, 5 triangle, all we have to do is just multiply all the dimensions of this triangle by 1/4 or divide by 4. And so 1/4 of 20 is 5, as you see right here. 1/4 of 16 is 4, as you see right here. And 1/4 of 12 is 3. And so this is how dilations work by way of scale factor. You're either going to enlarge the figure or you're going to reduce the size of the figure. Right now, you have been given some valuable information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at this diagram or replay the video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of dilations by way of scale factor. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.